guys? It's your girl Mel. Oh, my voice was a little crusty for a second. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a new style. Well, not really a new style because I've done knotless braids on my channel before, but we have it this time in color. So I used Made Beauty's new hair. They're 6 times hair. It comes with 6, these beads are loud. But it comes with 6 different like little sections in the pack, which is awesome. It literally only took me a pack and like 1 little section from the second pack to accomplish this style. But this is really quick, perfect for the summer. The color is giving, the beads is giving. Alicia Keys, let me insert a picture somewhere over here. Anyway, this is a really quick style. I did about, I think 12 to 15 parts, so you know, it doesn't have to be super small. It took me about like 2 to 3 hours max. Very simple, very easy. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay, starting off on freshly blow dried hair. I look crazy, but you know, usual products, shine and jam, or braiding hair. Now let's get into it. I like to pre-part my hair before even starting the braids. You move a lot faster when you have your sections parted, and they're usually a lot cleaner. So I went ahead and did the back, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do the front. So I apply the shine and jam, kind of clean up my parting and just smooth everything in so I have, like, you know, really good hold. So you're gonna start by braiding your real hair and then slowly feeding the braiding hair in. You do not want to feed in super big pieces because that's how you'll get that like just ugly big knot at the top. You just want to do a little bit of hair at a time. I usually do about like 3 to 4 pieces. The hair was so long, I literally had to put it in my mouth to continue braiding because like my arms could not reach all the way down. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on another braid just so you guys have, like, you know, a visual of both. I'm not going to show my whole head because I feel like videos like that is unnecessary. Like, you guys really, I'm doing the same thing, you know, so why make the video so long showing the same thing multiple times? Makes no sense. 2 times is good enough. Unless you guys want more, let me know. So I really liked that this hair, it just wasn't like super prickly. When I was done, I didn't really have to like trim it up a lot or, you know, apply too much mousse. It looked really good just done without doing anything, and very comfortable for my hands. So this is the finished product. I don't know what happened to the rest of the clip where I added the beads, but yeah, I have it on my TikTok if you guys want to see a tutorial on that. But this is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have everything linked in the bio.